Imagine having enough power in your head to light up a low-wattage LED bulb. Surprisingly enough, that's just the case. The human brain, an organ that's smaller than a bread box, generates between 12 to 25 watts of electricity. Now that's a bright idea, isn't it? Speaking of unique biological features, ever thought about how your life might be if you had 3 hearts? Well, for octopuses, that's just another day under the sea. These fascinating creatures not only have 3 hearts, but also possess blue blood. Makes you wonder what other secrets the ocean depths are hiding, right? While we're on the subject of unusual phenomena, Venus, our neighboring planet, has a day that's longer than its year. It takes around 243 Earth days for Venus to complete a single rotation on its axis, but only about 225 Earth days for it to orbit the Sun. Talk about a long day. Now, shifting gears to history, the shortest war ever recorded lasted a mere 38 minutes. This blink-and-you-miss-it conflict occurred between Britain and Zanzibar on August 27, 1896. Quite a contrast to the lengthy days on Venus, wouldn't you say? Moving from history to an intriguing fact about food, honey, a sweet treat loved worldwide, has an eternal shelf life. Archaeologists have unearthed pots of honey from ancient Egyptian tombs over 3,000 years old that were still perfectly edible. Sweet, isn't it? While we're talking about weighty matters, it might come as a shock that the average cloud weighs in at 1.1 million pounds. That's the weight of about 200 elephants, all floating overhead. And speaking of things overhead, lightning strikes the Earth around 6,000 times per minute. This electrifying fact might make you appreciate the tranquility of a storm-free day. Moving on to impressive cosmic facts, neutron stars are incredibly dense. A sugar cube-sized amount of material from one would weigh as much as all of humanity. Now, that's a weighty thought. And finally, debunking a popular myth, the Great Wall of China is not visible from space without aid. So, despite what you've heard, astronauts can't catch a glimpse of this ancient wonder unaided. In summary, our world and universe are filled with fascinating facts that can challenge our perceptions, from the power generated by our brains to the density of neutron stars. Each day brings with it a chance to discover something new and exciting. So, keep questioning, keep exploring, and remember, science never stops surprising us.